In this video lesson, we are going to have to write our own inequalities. So we're going to have to create our own system of inequalities and graph them in order to answer a specific question, all right, based on the solution to the system of inequalities. So let's go ahead and read it. It says, Ava has X dimes and Y quarters. She has at most 18 coins worth a minimum of $3 combined. Solve this system of inequalities graphically and determine one possible solution. All right, now in a previous video, I showed you how to kind of work through identifying your variables and writing the inequality. So here I'm just going to kind of show you how we answer these. The first inequality is going to be negative x plus 18. All right, and then again, you plot that. And you consider the shading, okay, which it is now correct. And then the other inequality is negative 2/5 x plus 12. All right, and then we plot that one as well, and then we consider the shading. All right, that's actually supposed to be greater than or equal to, okay, so we're going to switch that shading. All right. And then you can see they're both solid lines because their inequalities include the equal sign. All right. And then when we look at our double shading, then based on the question, it says Ava can have blank dimes and blank quarters. Okay. Well, we need to consider our dimes and quarters, and anything that falls within this region is going to be our solution. Okay. And remember, it said X dimes and Y quarters, okay? So our X represents our dimes and our Y represents our quarters. So in here, we could say something like 6 dimes and maybe 10 quarters right here, 10 or maybe even 11, but we could say 6 dimes and 10 quarters, which is really the ordered pair 610. So 610, which lies right inside the double shaded region, and then we could submit our answer. All right, and that's how you write your own inequalities and solve it. Please refer to the previous video that I wrote in showing you how to come up with and write your own inequalities.